So we will go for login for copyright. I'm already having login ID, so I will just enter the caption and I will submit. So as it is government site, it will require more time. With a pleasure. So whatever the document is required, you can go to upload document. You will see here, go to select, and you need to upload the required document just like a NOC from the college. Okay, and same way what you required, form 14, that is, and that is a work of copyright. These three things you need to upload from work upload documents. If you click here work upload documents, here you will need to select, go to select and do your upload part. Okay, so that is required. So what I will do, uh, and you go for checklist. Just will I would like to know the application form from where we need to upload. So go to application status. Just I will go for upload document and I will copy the diary number. This is a diary number is very important. I will copy this diary number and I will go for application status and I will put here. It means how you can check the status, view status. Then here two things I need to download. One is acknowledgement and entire form. So first I will click acknowledgement, that we need to submit. So here I will go for print. Here this is address for Army Institute of Technology. So I will take print of it. Suppose anybody forget to download this acknowledgement slip, so they can do it. So as the website is slow, it will take time. Just a minute. So this is very important because I forget to download this acknowledgement slip and entire form. So you need to go for status application and paste your diary number. You will get here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Network is slow. That's why. Just a minute. I will move to network place. So let me check whether network is proper or yes, it is proper. Just I will close it again. I just refresh the window. Again, I will log in because it is very slow. 7. Submit again. I am recording, so keep quiet. Just give an instruction. So just copy this diary number. Copy this diary number and go for status. Paste here diary number. You will see the status and application form and acknowledgement slip which we need to print. So first I will go for entire form because we need to upload in upload work document part. So it is taking time. So first I will take this printout. I will check it. Yes, it is a proper, and I will go for print. Here it is selected and I will go for save as PDF. So save. I will, yes, copyright document. Just I will make a folder, new folder. Save. This part is saved. Okay. Then statement of particular, that is also we need to save as PDF. So, and last one, that is third part, save. You can say this is third. So all this document we need to send. It is a part of application form. Okay, that's why we need to download it. So close. Now I need to go for acknowledgement slip. Yes, because this also I need to send to copyright office. So I can write here acknowledgement. Acknowledgement slip. Okay. So these are the form. Close it, and I will go for upload my work. So once I will complete the process, then my part will finish and I need to send the hard copy to copyright office. Yes. Go to select button. Yes. Here I have already submitted few parts. That is, I will go for form. Yet my this is entire form. Attach. Yes. Copyright office. Then I think now what I have to cancel. I need to. There is nothing. Only form 14 is there. Then the document which we need to upload, that part is there. So upload document. Okay. So once I will get the NOC, then I will upload my NOC and my copyright work. So with this, we can see that how we go for upload work. Thank you.